Bitcoin is at 88K, but please be prepared for the next move, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel, where we still believe that the Bitcoin is the evolution of money and of course also the digital gold, guys. But in today's video, I have 2 news items, 4 amazing charts, and a beautiful inspirational quote to end the video. Let's quickly jump into the video, as again, a very busy day. You will find out tomorrow why my last couple of days were that busy. But let's jump into the news first. Bam! First of all, MicroStrategy again bought 6,500 Bitcoins worth 555 million US dollar. In total, they now own 538,000 Bitcoins. So yes, Michael Saylor, Strategy, now owning 538,000 Bitcoins, guys. That's more than 500,000 Bitcoins. His goal probably is going to have 1 million Bitcoin, just like the same goal that the complete United States has. The president announced, 5 years, 1 million Bitcoin, each year buying 200,000 Bitcoin and then holding those Bitcoins for around 20 years. I think that was the deal. MicroStrategy already has 538,000 Bitcoins because they just added another 6,500 Bitcoins. So that's huge news again for the crypto industry, as a huge whales still accumulate Bitcoin. Even MicroStrategy also accumulating Bitcoin. All the other whales accumulating Bitcoin. Yes, you should have bought that beautiful dip, but I will come back to that into the charts, guys. And the second news, guys, also from the United States, is that Paul Atkins has sworn in to be the chairman of the SEC in the United States. He's the new leader of the SEC. Now, Paul Atkins is the opposite of Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler was the chairman of the SEC, but he was anti-Bitcoin, anti-crypto, anti-blockchain, anti-everything. Now we have Paul Atkins over there. He's pre-Bitcoin. He even invested in Bitcoin. He hodls Bitcoin. He understands Bitcoin, and he wants America to become the Bitcoin capital of the world. So we have now a complete new SEC sworn in, which is going to be very crypto positive in combination with a very crypto positive president. This combination is going to lead to a huge supply shock. Why? Because there is not enough Bitcoin for the demand that is going to be there, because the president and the SEC chairman are now both positive on crypto. Other countries positive on crypto. Companies being sold to start mining crypto. Governments all over the world discussing crypto. The European Union fighting crypto. All of the world is talking about it. And still there is only 21 million Bitcoin in the year 2140. The last couple of million Bitcoins need to be mined in the next 120 years, guys. Every country wants to become the biggest Bitcoin holder in the next decade, guys. And if they do it with mining or buying or any other strategy, whatever they are going to do, they want to accumulate as much as possible Bitcoin. And if everyone is accumulating Bitcoin, and retail, you, me, all the other people, institutional investors, governments are accumulating Bitcoin, then that will lead to that supply shock, as there is not enough Bitcoin to be bought by those people. I'm not selling, you're not selling, all the whales I know are not selling. Only the new mined Bitcoins could be sold, but probably they will be bought up by BlackRock and the ETFs and MicroStrategy. So where are all those people going to buy their Bitcoins? There will only be sellers when the Bitcoin price will go up massively to 160K, for example. Then I will be selling, others will be selling, we will be crashing it to the bear market bottom again, and we'll be buying the dip. So for me, very positive development, and now the new SEC chairman, Paul Atkins, has been sworn in the United States to become that new chairman, guys. Now, that was the news for today. Now let's jump into the charts to show you how that news is affecting Bitcoin, or was it again TA? Bam! But before I jump into the charts, again a little bit news about DDBAM, guys. The short news for today is epic news, because we just opened the whitelist to join the DDBAM VIP Gold Weekend Meetup, and it will be in Europe in Q3. So there will be July, August, September, one of those 3 months. We will have a golden VIP meetup. You can only join if you're a DDBAM VIP Gold member, but we want to see how many people are coming, because the last VIP Gold meetup here in Phuket was epic. And all of those people that were there, they're like, we're going to go to the next one as well. But we got a shitload of new VIP Gold members that might also want to come. So we want to see how many people are coming so we can make the best program ever in Q3 Europe. So go to the website DDBAM find somewhere the page there that says VIP Gold Meetup, or click the link down below so you'll be directed directly to that whitelist. You can leave your name and everything, so we at least can understand how many people are going to join the next VIP Gold Meetup, guys. That was the Bam Bam news. Now let's jump really into those charts. First chart for today, guys, is the 4-hour chart. There is some noise in the background again, but we are doing some moving, so don't be bothered by that, guys. The price, look, we are finding resistance at that blue block over there, the blue block that comes from the left over there. Look, here we had already, you know, this top resistance line over there, there. So we're finding resistance there again. If we break that, the next resistance is at 91K. I do believe we are going to break it. We are really bullish at the moment, but short term, you know, if you want to know more about short term things and volatility, then go to become a gold member at DDBAM.me. Now, here, the Gaussian channel, that is the one I shared with you a couple of weeks ago. I told you we need to break that top line. And the top line is at 89,000 US dollar. We need to break 89,000 US dollar to become really bullish again, because that Gaussian channel is like quicksand. It's sucking the price down. We need to get out. We need to get out. If we get out, bullish as fuck. Now, I have two more charts, a short but powerful video today. Let's jump into the first one over there. That is this one there. Preview, this one. I found this one on Twitter. It's a 2-day chart. Every candle is 2-day, but it's giving us the Fibonacci levels and the Ichimoku cloud where we should be going at the moment. Now, let me show you those levels. Check. Those levels are 3 key areas for the next few months. Here, the first one is at the 0.236, which is 128K. Then the next one is 0.618, is 170K. These are my targets as well. I told you the bull market top will be between 120 and 160. Of course, that's also based on the Fibonacci retracement level. So yes, that is something that has happened many times in the past. Now, the level that we need to break now very quickly is the 91K level. Also the level that I showed you on the previous chart. This cloud wants to be green, or needs to become green, and then the candles needs to be above that 91K. When that happens, then we will see a huge push to that 128K, and maybe even after that to that 160K, but that will be somewhere in September, October, in my opinion, somewhere over there. These levels are very important. Pause the video, screenshot it so that you understand exactly what is happening. Just compare it to the latest bull over there. There you can see all the pivots and the bull signs, Now again, we have some bull signs. We need one more change of the Ichimoku cloud to the green one, and bam, we are off to the races. Last chart for the day is this one. This one will make it very clear to you all what I believe that's going to happen. The same thing that every time happened again and again and again. This time is not different. It is the same. We go up, look at the green. We go up and we come down, we go up and we come down, and then we go up, we come down. Even here we come down again, and then bam, we have this beautiful top. Look at the blue, same. We come up, we come down, we go up. Look at the pink. We go up to there, we came down, we went up to the top, we came down, we went up again, we came down, we went up to the ultimate bull market high. We went up, we came down. If you look from this moment on to the right of the chart, what did you see? Every and each bull market, the price went higher. We are going to go much higher than this, guys. We're going to go to 120 to 160K. So in my opinion, we will end up somewhere over there in that square. That is my projection in the end of this year, September, October, November, somewhere over there. I think September, October, 160K, beautiful bull market top, an amazing chart then that looks like all those other charts again. That were the charts for today. Let's jump into the next part. I hope you really enjoyed the charts, short term again volatility, but we are there, guys. 88,500 US dollar per Bitcoin. That's again 10K higher than we were like a couple of weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, 78K. You were like, oh, we go to 70K. No, I told you guys we're going to go up, 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 and we are up. We are 88K. We need to break that 90K level. There's that resistance level that everybody is like, oh, 90K, can we reach that again? Yeah, we will like blow through 90K all the way to 94K, as that is a real resistance level. And if we are able to break that, bam, new all-time high very soon in May. I still think that the target will be 120K in May, guys. So let's see if that will happen. If not, I was wrong, but I'm still happy when Bitcoin just goes above 100K or makes a new all-time high in May. Beautiful May, because May is my birthday month. I want to see a new all-time high before my birthday, and that one is the 26th of May, guys. Long-term, zoom out. Look how beautiful this is. This is a level that we have been dreaming of already for a decade. For a decade, we said, wow, will Bitcoin ever be above 70K or 80K or 90K? Yes, it is. It's now even going sideways around 80, 90K. Sideways. From this moment, we will break out again to a new all-time high. How beautiful is this? This is the level that we were dreaming about when Bitcoin was $200 and $800. When we went all in at $900, we were like, wow, 10K, 20K, maybe once in a lifetime, 100K. We already were there. We're even close to it now by a dip. This is amazing. I want you to understand this is not the end of the bull market. It will be in the last quarter of this year. Yes, maybe even during the DDBAM VIP meetup in the end of September. Could be, if we do it in the end of September. But I believe end of September, beginning of October, somewhere there, we will see the bull market top. And the top will be between 120 and 160. Closer to 160, I hope, and from that moment I will also be coaching you to sell your portfolio, trading portfolio, and to wait for that dip again in the bear market. And the bear market dip is going to be there end of 2026, beginning of 2027. Amazing moment to step into the market again after selling your house. Maybe you would like to sell your house just like we did and just live the Bitcoin standard, as we still believe, yes, in the evolution of money. That were the charts. Let's jump into the inspirational quote. The inspirational quote for today, guys: life is too short to try and please everyone around you. There's not one person that's capable of this. So why would you try and to please everyone around you without first making yourself the most happy person? We're always focused on pleasing everyone else, but life is way too short to try and please everyone else and forget about yourself. I think yourself should be number one. I'm not telling you to become an egoist. I'm not telling you to only think about yourself, but I do think if you start to think about yourself, your own health, mental and physical, if you start to get more healthy, more happy, that is the moment you will also make other people more happy. And you will also have the capability and the power to please other people because you are in your own strength. As long as you are not in your own strength and you're just pleasing other people out there, you're forgetting to live yourself. And life is way too short for that. Don't only please all those other people around you. Please yourself as well. Look into the mirror. That is also the person that needs to be pleased, that needs to have attention. And if you become a really happy person, really find the core through yourself, really become happy with who you are, that is the moment when you get time to please other people as well. Probably the path into becoming yourself is also already part of pleasing all other people around you. Why? Because if you're surrounded by the correct people, they will be pleased when you grow as a person. They will be happy for you. If you're not surrounded by those people that will be happy if you grow, then you need to break that circle. You need to just say no. You just need to say goodbye to those people and find a new group of friends that are willing to be happy because you become more happy. That is the inspirational quote for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Yes, a lot of noise over here. One of the reasons we are moving and the new place will be way more quiet, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about the news, the charts, and about the inspirational quote? Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing day and see you tomorrow again. Bam.